Hey everyone, I am now 1 year in the US. After 1 year, I just wanted to share my story. There are several reasons why I want to share the story. Maybe you will get why while I am telling the story. 1 year ago, I came from Germany to the US. In Germany, I was working or I was working in the corporate world, and I was doing my studies. I didn't finish it. I was very unhappy in my jobs. I was born in the US and I took the decision to just go to the US because here there's like a lot about 3D printing, and the new technologies are a lot of things are coming here out of the US. I bought a ticket to New York. They were the first people who helped me, and it was Lüppi and Maria. Lüppi, I knew him from Germany. He gave me his couch. They gave me the couch. They helped me to find a job. After 2 months or something, I could pay my apartment next to them and also get enough money to completely randomly take a plane to California. I knew about the Silicon Valley and I knew that 3D printing is happening here, so I wanted to go to California. But how I came to the ticket was completely random. I was on the internet and saw this ticket for $200 and I just bought it. Yeah, with the last money basically I came here to California. On the fly to New York, I met Denise, and she told me that if I'm coming to California, she can help me some days with a couch. I went to Denise's friend and lived on his couch for a couple of days. Also in some hostels where I met Alexi. At this point, I needed a place to live. I needed a job. The only thing I could do was living in a car. So I bought a car, my first car. I started traveling a little bit because I didn't know what to do. During this time, I also met Lucas, who gave me a chance to work at Google. After traveling a little bit down south to Santa Cruz, I went to do Google. I was very happy to go there. It's like a big company about technologies, but I completely broke down at Google, and after 3 days I quit it. The problem at this point was that 1 month later, Lawrence, my friend from Germany, wanted to visit me, so I needed money, and I went to the car wash. And at this point, my car was stuck on a parking. This car had to be towed, so this would mean that I would be homeless. I met Francisco, who helped me out with his AAA. He helped me to get my car fixed. My car was fixed. I could meet Lawrence. We traveled a little bit down south to Santa Cruz. This was a really great time. He lived 10 days with me in my shitty car. After that, I was kind of very depressed because I was very alone, and it was very nice to have your friend, and this was fun and everything. After this time, my car broke down and I had to stay in Monterey to get $1,000 together to get new brakes into my car. I was dishwashing for I think 1.5 months or something. Getting the money together, I could fix the brakes, but then my car got towed and I couldn't get it back. So this car was lost, and at this point I met Alexei again, and he helped me out to get this car. Now I'm in this car, and at this point I went down south because I wasn't in LA. So I went here to Oxnard, was traveling for a while until I found a job on Craigslist, and this job was a trimming job on a pot farm up north. I went 600 miles to up north to Reading. There I was working for 3 months in the woods, where I got played out and not paid, and this was kind of it was a very rough experience, but at the same time I got my dog Rocky. I was at the gas station and some guy needed a home for this dog, so I took him with me. We went back here down south with no money. I tried to get money together and at the same time had a dog, so I was working all kinds of jobs on, for example, on a farm where Rocky got attacked. So he got attacked by a big dog. I had to bring him to the hospital, and I couldn't pay his hospital, and it was over $5,000. So I had to give up all the rights of Rocky. But yeah, this was of course very sad. But after 1 week, I got a call. Somebody rescued him. I don't know where he is. He is in Santa Paula. It's not too far from here, but it seems that he has a really good home where I didn't have Rocky anymore. I could get my work done, and I could finally stabilize a little bit my situation. Since then, I'm here in Oxnard. I don't know how I'm still doing this, but I'm still doing it. And I came here with an idea. The only thing that the last year told me is that even if you have zero plan, even if it looks very badly, it after a while, and if you put enough energy into it, it works out. This also means that it's of course a lot of times struggle, but everybody has struggle. What I maybe just want to give as message is that even if some things look really ridiculous, it seems to be possible. You can create things. I don't know how it works, but you can create what you want. Also, I realized that of course you don't have bads, don't have goods without bads. I guess it doesn't matter what you do, you will always have the goods and the bads, but maybe you should just do what you want.